How to remove email account from the Windows 11 and Windows 10 and use your user account as a local user. So first of all, you have to go to your settings, and in the settings you have to go to the account, and before doing that you have to disconnect your internet, and after that you will see here stop signing in to all Microsoft apps automatically. So if you click on that, now your user is local user, so email is not connected with that. The next step is removing email. So if you go to the email and accounts, you will see the email. Simply click on remove, and then it will be removed from that. So that's all for now. This is very easy to use. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobo YouTube channel.